It was a great experience. We love them. We tell everybody about them and who built our house.
I don't think anybody else could have done any better or as good as American Home did.
We are Jean Marie and Tommy Whitaker. We worked with the Anderson American Home Place and we built the Hanover floor plan.
Basically, we was just riding around one day and saw the van sitting out on the side of the road and seen the American Home signs and said, let's go see them. They was nice, polite, easy to get along with. They was from our state, they was from our town, and we really liked them.
I think what made us trust American's Home Place is they're easy to work with and they want to work with you. We worked with several people actually, Frank and Doug and Rose.
We'd go in and look at our lights and pick out stuff. She would take us and show us the lights and give us her ideas and we'd give her our ideas, and it was just having a good time with her.
I would go into the office and look at color selections and molding, and I would run in and say, can I just run in and look at your models? And they never said no. They were so patient and nice. Actually, we picked out about several floor plans, and then finally we just were like, okay, we got to make a decision on one. So he picked the outside, I did the inside.
They had no problem changing plans. I mean, if you didn't want something, they didn't say no. They said, okay, we can do that. She would go up there and see them, get the plans, bring them home, study them, make little prints on it. Like, this is what I want to change. She knew where every receptacle went, every switch, every light, and they didn't mind.
Anything that we did a little bit different, like the larger decks and the pantry, we already knew we wanted that, so we just looked at plans that we could change those kind of things with. They just said, yeah, we can do that. And they just drew it in and gave me the plans again. They were professional, they were friendly, but anything you wanted to change or any questions we had on the plans, that was the biggest thing, I think, is they were cooperative about the plans.
I think there was a 5-foot deck and she wanted a 10-foot deck. So they had to change the whole pitches, everything on the back. She had a little problem with the railings going up the stairs. Was no problem, changed it, got it fixed right quick. The fireplace, we went to Macon, Georgia to look at a demo house. She found a brick that she liked down there. They made sure that we got the brick from Macon, Georgia, brought it to Anderson, South Carolina, just for her. It was very easy for us. All we had to do is we asked and they responded. Another good thing they was good about, they let you do what you want to do. If you can do the work, they don't have any trouble letting you do it. They don't mind saving you money. I done the prep work on the foundation.
Our biggest concern was the length of time because of having to stay somewhere else, but we were really satisfied with the time that it took, whether everything cooperated, so we were well satisfied. They didn't cut corners, like they made sure things were nailed in good. The workmanship, we loved everything, and if we saw something that night and we questioned it the next day, they were good about explaining why they did it like that. I've always said, as tall as this house is, it holds through the weather. We don't feel it move at all, so I guess it was excellent.
You can tell it was insulated very well. It's warm. It's easy to warm during the winter. It's easy to keep cool in the summer. They done a great job. The guys was nice. They wasn't hard to get along with. They seemed like they liked me being around. I mean, they didn't say, hey, you don't supposed to be on this property or whatever.
When you go in their office to talk to them, everybody's really professional. They come and smile and greet you. They know you. I don't recommend too many things because I don't want to hear bad things in the end. And so I've never felt like we would ever hear anything bad, so we recommend them all the time. Anytime we hear somebody saying they're getting ready to build a house, we tell them who to go to. We had a great experience.